Poems. A tutorial for Green Valley School, 2nd grade, Miss Claudia. A poem is a literary writing that involves parts of speech and song. Take a look at this poem. Spring is here, goodbye snow, flowers grow, birds and bees, leaves on trees. Hello spring, hello spring. Poems almost always have a rhythm. They usually have metaphors, use rhymes, and express emotions. We use rhymes in poetry to create a pattern and bring rhythm to the poem. A rhyme is when two or more words end in a similar sound. For example, the fox lives in a box. Rhyming doesn't mean the words will have the same ending, but the ending sound will be similar. For example, night, sight, might, and tight all end in IGHT, but kite and bite do not. Nonetheless, they still rhyme with night and sight. Another example is the word red and the word bread. Bread ends in EAD, but still sounds the same as red. In poems, we also use metaphors. A metaphor is a figure of speech where a word or phrase is compared to another. The metaphor usually shares a similarity with another word. For example, bullseye runs like the wind. In this case, we are comparing the way bullseye runs to the wind, who doesn't really run. This means that bullseye is very, very fast, like a very intense wind. Poems are a form of writing we use to tell stories and express our feelings. Learning how to use literary figures makes our writing more colorful and more interesting. Thank you for listening. The end.